Hello guys, welcome to day 265 from 400 days of learning programming challenge. I'm going to finish the online game that I tried to create today. So what I'm going to do is finishing that online game today. Also, some of you guys were commented me about my last video and told me that I need to learn React right now. But in the course that I bought from the internet, the hierarchy to learn programming is first to learn CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. So I already learned them, and then I have to learn backend, and then at the end of my course there is React that I need to learn. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to progress according to the course that I bought. So let's get back to finishing our online game. This is what we have done right now so far. So clicking on this is the wrong answer and this is the true answer. So what we want to do is to change the question let me refresh the page. So when the user click to the answer, if it is right or wrong, no matter, and it doesn't matter, the next question appear, which I already just say hi here, but it is the next question that we need to write down, and the answer should update as well. So let's get doing that. Let's going to functionality page, which is JavaScript codes, and we say here, we said that after refreshing the page, change the question, and here we have to say change the answers as well to something else. So the answers, where are the answers? Here are the answer. They have the B1, B2, B3, B4. Okay, the B1. So here is the B1 red color. The question is going to change. This is for the B1, right? So if the user click on answer 4, the question is not going to change. So we have to copy this for the 4 codes. Question. So I have to copy this as well. Let's save the page and test it. So if I press answer 4, the question is going to change as well. Okay. And the question should be something else. What was the first one? How we can solve this maze? Okay, and we have to change the picture as well to something else. And what kind of picture should I put? We can say Who is the main character of One Piece? Can you guess? Who's the main character of One Piece? I think it's Zoro. I think it's Zoro. Yes, Roronoa Zoro. So now if I press one of these answers, the question is going to change, and let's say One Piece royalty free images. You have to choose one of these pictures. I like this one, the white bird. Oh, I think this is not a free one. Okay, so we're going to close that. This is not One Piece. So you can choose one of these. We don't need to be too much obsessed with the pictures. So downloading it. Download. Thanks to K.H. Miko. Miko? So let's go to the project folder. Question, assets, One Piece. Now we have to say change the image, right? So change the image. Where is our first image? Let's close this one. Here it is. Okay, so let's give it a name, ID, and img. So what we want to do is to change the hint img source. I never did that, so let's ask help from ChatGPT. How can I change the img tag src source using JS? We can change the attribute of an image tag using JavaScript by selecting the image element using document get by ID or document query selector and then blah blah, and the source attribute to a new value. Here is an example. So okay, we just need to put a source here and get the source. So After all of this, change the picture. Document, get element by ID. The ID is int image. Change the source equal to one piece. Let's see if it works. The image is supposed to change, but it has some problem. Maybe it's because of the didn't say JPG. My bad. Let's refresh the page. Okay. Why it doesn't show the image? We said change the source to new image. That's what we have done. Is it PNG picture? It's JPG. So JPG. Let's close the page. Maybe we need to open it again. Nope. I don't know why it doesn't change, doesn't show the image. Music. I'm sorry. is the GPT. Okay, so the problem was that I didn't give the address of image in a true way through syntax. So this is the image. We can change it later because it doesn't fit the page, but we don't need it right now. We're just trying to practice the logic here. So we have to copy and paste this for the rest of our codes. So right now, if I press in any buttons, I will receive some new answer. But the problem is right now, the answer didn't reset, so we need to reset that as well. First, we need to change the title of answers to something else. Answer 1, answer 2. So the answer content should be so we can say const something b a the answer, and now we can say b a inner text should change to new answer 1. Okay, let's test this. I think it's going to work, so let's do not test it. Just copy and paste this for the rest of the codes. 2, 3, and 4. Now let's test that. We have answer 1, answer 2, but only one of these has been changed to new answer, right? So we need to do all of it. I think I have to use query select all. Query select all. And I have to use the class, so the BTN class instead of ID, right? So I can say get element by query select or all. Check the BTN class to new answer. Didn't change. Why it didn't change? I use this. Is it the problem that I used same variable for the 4 of them? But I don't think this is the problem. That's in the case. Let's use a 4. So that was not the case. How can I change all the class at the same time using we use query selector all, loop through the selected element and modify their content. So this is the HTML. Click function, constant, email, document, query selector all. I think we need to add a dot here. Let's see it if it works. It doesn't change. Elements for each element context. So get this variable and apply it for each of them, and the element should be equal or more than element context. So I'm going to grab this piece of code Instead of that, we have to use this one, and by elements we mean BA, and for each BA a BA text content should be new content, like new answer 1, new answer 1. Oops. There is a problem here. It's all change all the answers to new. This is not a good idea. So new answer 1. I can do something else. Get this by class name or ID by ID. Okay, so BT1, the B1, B new as well. Okay, and okay. After that, we can say change them as well. So change the second one, third one as well. So like the B2 answer 2, B3, B4, 2, 4. Let's see if it works. Doesn't work. New answer 2, 3, and I think the problem is we have the same variable here. Let's say B1, BA1, BA2, BA3, BA4. How about now? They should change to BA1, BA2, BA3, BA4. Okay, new answer 1, new answer 2, new answer 3, new answer 4. So if I use this piece here, it's going to work. So I'll remove this one. Good. The next thing we have to do is to remove the color from these items. So this is not a big deal. I can do it. But I think that's enough for this project. I already spent about 31 minutes, so this is good. I already learned the logic about how to create this game. I can use background, remove these colors, reset these colors, but this is good enough for now. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow.